today's video I am going to be unboxing the January Look Fantastic box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, like I just said, we are going to be unboxing the January Look Fantastic box. Oh, I've just bent my nail backwards. Flippity flops. Oh. Right, so let's open this up and we can have a sneak peek. This box costs £15 per month. If you subscribe for a 12-month subscription, it works out with £13 a month, so that definitely works out cheaper. But yeah, down below in the information box and the comment box, I will put a link there for you. If you want to click that, you'll get your first box for £10. You'll save a £5, so that's always good. Yeah, so this is inside the box. We have the QR code there. We'll scan it, and yeah, that'll give you all the information on the products in the box. We have an advertisement, we have an advertisement, we have an advertisement, and this is what's left in there. Yeah, let's get to digging through to see exactly what we've got to play with. Right, let's just scan the card. There we go. So this edit is called Reset Your Routine. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Weleda, and it's Skin Food Original. There's 10 mils that you get in here. It has a value of £2.99, so super duper affordable. It is a natural multitasking moisturiser for dry, rough skin from head to toe. This antioxidant rich moisturiser helps to protect skin against environmental aggressors and can be used on the face, body, neck, décolleté area, or whatever you call this bit. Ideal for use during winter. This formula is enriched with a blend of rosemary, sunflower seed oil, chamomile and beeswax to intensely nourish and condition the skin. Yeah, sounds cool. Really nice brand. As I say, it is an affordable brand. Do some lovely products. I'm going to leave this sealed, but that is what it looks like. Great travel size to have in your handbag, for sure. I don't think I've actually tried the Skin Food before. So yeah, can't wait to give it a go. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Kingsley, and it's the Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. It is 60 mils that you get in here, and it has a value of £12. This multi-benefit spray has a high performance formula that promotes visible volume to support fuller looking hair. Enriched with hydrolyzed keratin and heat activated spray targets the roots to encourage the appearance of stronger strands, whilst antioxidant protection helps shield the hair from environmental damage, producing a residue-free finish. This texture spray helps to support your locks with shine and body. Yeah, that sounds absolutely great. So you spray it into your roots for lift, or throughout the lengths for styling all over volume. You can spray onto damp hair or dry hair and blow dry for maximum volume. Okay, that's good to know. You can use it on dry hair too. I'll probably use this on wet hair most likely. Yeah, great brand. Absolutely love Kingsley products, and I haven't tried this one before. Awesome. The third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Lip, and it's Superfood Elderberry Lip, Cheek and Eyelid Tint. There's 8 mils in here. It has a value of £6.99. Add a subtle hint of ultra moisturising colour to your lips, cheeks and eyelids with this multi-purpose tint in a deep red shade of elderberry. This tinted balm is made from 4 natural ingredients, including edible plant-based pigments to target dryness with instant hydration, and gets its subtle colour from juicy elderberries. It's also powered by medical grade lanolin from free-forming Australian sheep wool. It's been refined and cleansed from environmental pollutants, so you just apply directly to where you want it. 100% honesty here on my channel, this is not something I'm excited about at all. I have 3 or 4, possibly 5 of these sitting in my drawer. there is no way in hell I am going to put this on my eyelids or my cheeks, because to me, I don't know if for you, but definitely for me, it feels greasy as, and I don't want that sitting on my skin. I have used it on my lips. It feels lovely on the lips, but the tint itself is uneven when you've got it on, and it just looks like I've been sucking on an ice pop, on a red ice pop, which is not the look I kind of go for. So yeah, this is not for me, unfortunately. The fourth product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand So Eco, and it's a jade gua sha, and it has a value of £10. This jade gua sha facial and neck massager stone helps to alleviate muscle tension, aid lactic drainage and circulation, and increase product absorption for a more revitalized appearance, whilst the jade stone restores a sense of harmony and tranquility. If you're looking for a beauty that's not just skin deep, this product will help induce Ayurvedic beauty and holistic skincare into your self-care rituals to nourish the skin from inside out, blah 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 blah. Yeah, so again, 100% honesty here, this is another product I'm not really interested in. I've lost count. Again, I think 4, 5, possibly 6 of these sitting in, not this particular brand, maybe 1 or 2 of them are. I have so many gua shas in my drawer that I've got from different beauty boxes, and possibly LOOKFANTASTIC in the past. How many gua shas can the beauty boxes keep giving away? That, yeah, I'm sorry, but not for me. The fifth product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand This Works, and it's a stress check mood manager. There's 10 mils that you get in here, has a value of £10, and it just says boasting of 100% natural blend of pure essential oils. This fragrance spray helps to promote feelings of tranquility, working to relieve stress, alleviate low moods through aromatherapy. This fragrance features a super blend of ylang ylang, nerolium patchouli, especially created using fMRI brain imaging technology to help relieve feelings of stress. So yeah, you just shake it well before you use it. You spray it directly onto your clothes, surroundings and skin. Inhale and take a moment to relax. Right, so it's not a pillow mist, so that's something. Although I do like pillow mist, but I don't want to keep getting them in my box. I think I've had one of these before. It is pleasant. It's not bad. Let's just have a spray. Right, it does smell nice. It is pleasant. Okay, yeah, I actually like that. That's not bad. Not excited about it, but I like it. Sixth item, you're going to receive one of 2 products. So it's by the brand Nails Inc, and you're either going to receive the Get Hard Nail Hardener base coat, or you're going to get the Gel Rehab base coat and strengthening treatment. And I have received is this one. So this is the Get Hard Nail Hardener base coat. It has a value of £9. The other one that I could have received had a value of £10, so quite close in value, so that is quite good. I can get with that. So this one is designed to harden the appearance of your nails. This nail strengthener promotes strong looking nails in just 1 week. Suitable for brittle, damaged nails, the formula uses a blend of naturally nourished ingredients, including biotin, kale, spinach and mushrooms to visibly harden and protect. Added retinol enhances the treatment to promote a chip-proof finish. Apply 2 coats to clean nails twice weekly. Okay, I was gonna say, oh yay, another polish of sorts by Nails Inc. Like, I haven't received one of these before, not. But yeah, I actually quite like the sound of this. I think I've received a base coat from this brand before in another beauty box, but it was just a normal base coat, whereas I really like the sound of this one because it's a strengthening, rebuilding and hardener. So my nails are like paper. They are so bendy. I'm not, you can see them, but they are so bendy and yucky. They can just tear really easily. So yeah, I'll definitely see if this will help them any. Guys, so this is the January Look Fantastic box. This is the Reset Your Routine Edit. What do you think? Personally, it's not a great box. It's okay. The product that actually saves this box is the Philip Kingsley product, because wow, what a brand, what a brand. So the things I'm really not excited about in this box are the Dr. Lip tint. Really sick of getting those in beauty boxes. The gua sha, love the brand, just it's the gua sha itself, unfortunately. Sick of getting gua shas in beauty boxes. The two that were borderline were the Stress Check Mood Manager spray. When I saw it, I must admit I thought it was a pillow spray, pillow mist, and I was like, oh really? But no, it's okay and it smells decent. I'll actually use that as a perfume. The nail hardener, I am actually quite into that. Like I said before, I thought it was just a normal base coat. If it was, I'd be trashing it, but because it's a hardening, strengthening one, which my nails kind of need, that's come at the right time. But yeah, the Philip Kingsley Maxitizer volume boosty thing, yeah, awesome. I can't wait to try that, because my hair, although today it's actually looks like it's got a bit of volume, but in the main it's looking quite flat and deflated at the moment. And yeah, even though this is such an affordable brand, it's really cheap and cheerful. It is a great brand and I wouldn't mind trying that out. I've heard actually really good things about it, just haven't got around to trying it. So yeah, not a great box, but the Philip Kingsley does kind of bring it back in a little bit. What do you think? Comment down below. Again, if you're interested in getting this box, I'll link it down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, you'll save £5 off your first box. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.